Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to play and download Minecraft for free on Mac. So what you're going to do, just go ahead to your Brave browser and search for Minecraft download. Go ahead to the official website, right? Where you're going to be able to hit here download for macOS. And once you hit download for macOS, an upload file or download history will show up. You can see right here Minecraft DMG. Just open the file location here. And inside, let me show you. Okay, the file location, you can see right here the Minecraft DMG. Just press it, and all you gotta do is just drag the Minecraft to applications. Right? It's not gonna take like seconds really. It won't take like minutes or anything. It will take seconds. And inside, go ahead to applications on the left side panel. Okay. And just search for Minecraft, as you can see right here. Just double click, right? And what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just log in using your Microsoft account, right? So all you gotta do now is just wait for Minecraft to be updated. They're gonna download, of course, the update files, all related files to help you launch your Minecraft journey. So consider liking this video, subscribing. Until next time, see you. Hi, welcome to